Hey guys, it's John from ThinkQuest, back again with another video. I'm here to show you the 5 signs you could be depressed, and how to get the help you need. First of all, let's start with the question, what is depression? Depression is a mental illness that people experience when they are feeling down and sad for an extended period of time. People who are depressed may have difficulty concentrating, remembering details, and making decisions. They may also have trouble sleeping or concentrating on work. These symptoms can make it difficult to go about their daily lives. Depression is a common mental illness affecting up to 1 in 5 people at any given time. The first sign of depression is usually a change in mood, such as feeling sad or irritable for 2 weeks or more without any apparent reason, but not feeling better after some time has passed. Depression can affect anyone regardless of age, gender, race, religion, or economic status. Mood swings are a common occurrence in everyone's life. It is a sudden change in mood from one extreme to another. Mood swings are usually triggered by an event, such as stress, anger, or depression. The causes of mood swings are not always obvious and may be hard to identify. The first step in managing mood swings is to understand what triggers them. Once you know the cause of your mood swings, you can take steps to avoid these triggers and prevent future episodes. Some common triggers are hormones and medications that you're taking, such as antidepressants or blood pressure medications. Alcohol may be a trigger if you have a history of alcohol abuse. Sleep deprivation and lack of sleep, exhaustion, or feeling overwhelmed due to work stress. Financial or family stress and relationship problems. The second sign is loss of interest in activities you normally enjoy. Loss of interest in activities you normally enjoy is a common symptom of depression. If you have been feeling this way for 2 weeks or more, it's time to see a doctor or mental health professional and talk about your feelings. You may have depression if you also feel sad or hopeless most of the time, or even irritable, restless or fatigued, or unable to concentrate on things that used to be important to you. If these feelings are affecting your ability to function at work, school, home, or in relationships with friends and family members, it could be wise to consider treatment. The third sign is lack of energy and fatigue. We often experience fatigue and lack of energy when we are not getting enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can lead to a number of health problems. It can also affect our mental health, which in turn affects our ability to function at work. The effects of sleep deprivation are widespread, and it is important to take preventive measures, such as setting a regular bedtime routine, getting a good night's sleep, and avoiding stimulants before bed. The fourth sign is difficulty concentrating. Difficulty concentrating can be caused by stress, anxiety, depression, or ADHD. When you have difficulty concentrating, it can lead to a lack of productivity and increased stress levels. This is because your brain has trouble staying on task and completing a given task. This can also lead to feelings of frustration and anger, which can lead to an increase in anxiety levels. If you find that you are having difficulty concentrating often, and that it is affecting your daily life, then it may be time to seek professional help or talk with your doctor about the issue. Sign number 5. Diminished sex drive or irritated all the time. It is crucial to know the symptoms and causes of low libido to be able to diagnose the problem. It is possible that the problem may be physical, emotional, or both. Is there anything that you have noticed or done recently which might be causing the problem? Any change in your physical state, such as starting a new medication or diet, has been implicated in decreased libido. If you have started a new medication or diet, make sure to let your doctor know. Are there any factors in your life that might be causing the problem, including age, stress and anxiety? Depression and lifestyle changes such as marriage or divorce can all result in decreased libido. These can also be contributing factors to low sexual desire. Finally, here are a few tips on coping with depression and steps to getting help. Depression is a mental disorder that affects millions of people around the world. It can be difficult to recognize the symptoms of depression, but it's important to get help as soon as possible. There are many ways to cope with depression, and there are also many treatments available for those who need them. The first step in overcoming depression is recognizing that you're suffering from it. Some of the signs and symptoms of depression include feelings of sadness or hopelessness, and changes in sleep or appetite, and an inability to enjoy things that used to bring pleasure in your life. People who are depressed may also feel like they have no energy or motivation, which can make it difficult to go about daily activities like going to work or school. If you think you might be depressed, there are a few steps you can take to try and get your energy levels back up, such as talking to someone you trust, like a friend or family member. Try slowly increasing your activity level. Eat healthy foods such as fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and unsaturated fats, and get enough sleep every night. If you or anyone you know is experiencing signs of depressions, don't hesitate to reach out to a mental health care professional and get help immediately. Please like this video if it helped you, and spread the word by sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. As always, we end with a quote. No one wishes to have dark days, sleepless nights, grumpy mornings, and this endless dark tunnel with no sign that it ever ends. Depression is not a choice.